kitchen, giving you favorite recipe ideas, tips. Anyway, today we do some jerk chicken with some honey and Thai, and we're gonna serve it with some spicy Mexican rice. You can, if you want me to show you how to make this Mexican rice, please write it below and I definitely can make that one for you guys. It's fantastic. I got a video which is gonna be coming out soon with it, but if you want me to release it, let me know and we also can do that one. Some simple recipe, the jerk season, you can get it to buy at any local shop or supermarket. All of these ingredients is just local ingredients and they're just very easy to do. The chicken easy to do at home. Wash off the chicken with some lemon or white vinegar. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. We are there for you. One love from Chef Ricardo and the team. Yeah, nice. Welcome back in Chef Ricardo. It's amazing guys to be in the kitchen, but anyway, we just gonna simply make you some jerk chicken Thai. Very spicy, and also we're gonna use some onion in it. But before we go any through the process, I just want to get you to do this first thing is to get 1 teaspoon of mixed herb. That's the first thing what you're going to do. And then the next thing is get some all-purpose seasoning. Half teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, not too much. Then we're going to put a teaspoon of paprika. This is some paprika. You can get that at the local shop or supermarket to buy. Then the last ingredients, the next ingredients is half teaspoon of jerk seasoning. You can get jerk seasoning at the local shop to buy or the supermarket. Fair enough. And then also we're going to put some olive oil on the chicken. And also we're going to put some honey. That's some honey which we're going to use on the chicken also. And then the only thing next for you to do is to get the gloves on your hand and simple marinate your chicken into that lovely flavor sauce. Lovely and nice. Then what we're going to do next is to get the oven tray and simply put it on this, like this, and like this. Like this, like this, and like this, like this, like this, and like this. And then just bake it in your oven for 25 minutes inside of the oven. And we're going to serve it with some spicy Mexican rice. And also enjoy the recipe and please leave your comments below. Remember, all of these ingredients, you can get them at the local supermarket. Thank you so much for watching this show and stay tuned as we continue with the jerk chicken Thai with honey. Second thing, if you're using gas mark, please use gas mark 8 or 9. If you're using electric oven, please use it on 165 or 175. Thank you so much. Nice and lovely. Just take it from the oven, guys. As you can see, that's a few pieces of jerk chicken Thai with honey. Just gonna share it out and make you guys see the way it look on the plate with some Mexican spicy rice. Enjoy it. Just share it out, and as you can see right on the plate, the plate looking lovely and nice. Basically, as you can see guys, look at this one. This is some stir-fried cabbage, Mexican rice, and some jerk chicken Thai with honey and a fried dumpling. Really nice, lovely, wonderful meal you can have in the evening for a special dinner. So hopefully you will just enjoy the recipe. Please subscribe and leave your comments, and thank you so much to tune in to my cooking show, guys. We got a lot more ideas and recipe coming your way. Thank you so much. Bye bye.